Goedemiddag. Good afternoon. Shadi Shiroki here at ISE 2019 in Amsterdam. Most of you may be familiar with our product, but here we are showing our Trak-Kit with a full-blown version with 4 motors. Here we have 4 degrees of freedom. The TV moves back and forth on the track inside. It rotates around the pole. It goes up and down in the Z-axis, and it also rotates from portrait to landscape. And you might wonder why we did that. So there's multiple reasons. In some retail environments, also in some business environments, sometimes the client wants to show PowerPoints or fashion models, which the TV is normally in portrait. But on some other projects like residential, we take 98-inch TVs, we rotate them to portrait, and then they start looking like a sliding door, so they're a lot easier to slide it into a pocket and make them hide. So this is our super track with like full-blown, fully automated, and we have Crestron, Lutron, Control 4, AMX, RTI. We talk to all the companies out there via RS-232 and IP.